Let's see if it works. Well, it should be working. So... oh God, got a cough. Not a good sign. Hi guys, you okay? So... someone said I've been AWOL. Hi is working this time. Hopefully. We shall see. But what am I doing? So I'm a little bit behind, I won't lie, on sending out hostess gifts. So I need to make the thank you things that I do. So I need to cut these down and stamp them. But I don't know what to stamp them with. Like, I'm really stuck as to what design to do. So Sean's currently in the bath because his back hurts. So I thought I'd pop on live. I can cut these down and talk to you guys a little bit, see how we're all doing. I hope we're all okay. I've been really busy. I say I've been really busy. I'd like to think I've been really busy. I probably haven't been as busy as I could be, but I've been busy. Now this hasn't printed straight. Doesn't matter. So how are we all? Are we doing lots of crafting? That's the main thing. I have, but not recent days. So as you know, 30-day card making challenge is underway. I'm doing it ahead of you guys because I need to make sure the blog's done and everything's like that is sorted. So I've just done very much vintage, so I'm not that far ahead, which is day, my phone's there, I don't know what day it is, I think it's 15, it might even, what day are we on? We're on day 12, so today was winter, then you've got Pack-a-Punch, which I've done, which is tomorrow. I need to write that blog. Then we have Pack-a-Punch, vanilla and white. Not my favourite. I've made 2 cards. I don't know which one I like most. I don't like either of them, to be fair. But it's just because I don't like vanilla and white together. I just don't think they go. Very much vintage, and then there's the card sketch next, which I need to do, which I think I'll do Saturday. I think that's my plan. Hi, that's my plan for Saturday, to do that one. But yeah, I hope you're all enjoying it, and I hope those of you who aren't partaking are checking it out to see the amazing talent that's going on. It's crazy. I'm really enjoying it. I never thought it'd be as good, that's not the right word, as popular as it has been. But yeah, hopefully Saturday I can get really far ahead. But because of work and everything like that, because I'm still working full time, which I didn't think would be the case, if I'm honest. But I'd rather have a job than not have a job, put it that way. So anyway, I need to stamp these, thank you. So I do little thank you postcards, but I stamp them. And I can't think what to stamp them in. What did I do last month? Last month I did the puppies. I'm just looking at my stamps, guys. I'm sorry. This is really boring for you all. I think I'm going to plan to do a Facebook Live on Saturday. I don't know what time yet. I'm going to make the graphics and everything later on. But that's going to be over at Facebook. So definitely check that out. Should we do some butterflies? Let's do some butterflies. If you don't already follow me on Facebook, head over to my Facebook page. If you pop into my Instagram bio on the link, I think there's social links at the bottom. I'll definitely check that out, and I'll add it to my story afterwards so you guys can hop on over there. If not, the live will be recorded and put onto YouTube. That's the one. Okay, so you can check it out anyway. I think I'm going to use a butterfly gala. So I use this. Oh, I don't think I'm entertaining at all. I think I'm the most boringest person going, and so does Sean. I try. I look really pale and unwell. I am fine, FYI. Thank you. I don't think I'm talented at all. I don't know. I just make stuff. Does that sound silly? I need to grab a, what's it called? A clear block. So I just make stuff and I hope to God that people like it. Half the time I wing it, I won't lie. I need memento. How can I get this so you guys can see what I'm doing as well? Let's just... I don't want to shake you guys too much because that's going to be really disorientating. So, hold on. Let's just move all this out of the way and move all this over. I'm still in my pyjamas, by the way. I'm not scared. Let's... Oh, God. Oh. I'm glad you laughed because I laugh at myself. So, yeah. I think you have to laugh at yourself. You can't take yourself too seriously. Can I flip this round? So I'm going to flip this round. You can see all my DVDs. Is that okay? Can you guys see? So it's not the best, I'm sorry. You can see my messy pad. But hopefully it's better than nothing. So I'm just going to ink up. You can't see. There you go. If I do it that way. Ink up the butterfly, and I think I'm just going to do a cascade of them around. Hi, hello people joining. Around this. So normally I don't add colour either to these. However, I think I'm going to. Oh no. I got inky fingers. Alright, let's move that one out of the way. And start this one. So obviously, guys, I run my Instagram as a business, which I'm sure you can appreciate. A lot of you I know can't order because you're in countries in which Stampin' Up! Doesn't sell, or you might already have a demonstrator, that's fine. But for the people who do buy from me, these are little postcards that I like to send out to say thank you. Normally they're done separate to the hostess gifts. However, hostess gift, because of everything that's going on, I've been a little bit delayed with everything, if I'm honest. But I'm quite lucky that they understand. So I'm just going to stamp that there. Maybe one more. Why not? Who loves butterflies? Because I know I do. I think they are by far my favourite insect. And actually, I don't know how you guys feel about taxidermy. But for a Valentine's Day gift, Sean brought me a taxidermy butterfly, and it is a swallowtail, one of my favourites. Do you guys remember that Stampin' Up! Had a massive swallowtail butterfly? Well, that's where one of my loves began. Okay, so anyway, so I've stamped them. I'm going to get everything waylaid. And I'm going to grab these ones. And shall we do a little rainbow? Look how messy that is. I'm a bad person. And that one. Oh, I'm not even ashamed. If yours isn't like that, then what you doing? There we go. It's closed, it's hidden, it's gone away. So shall we do a rainbow effect? What colour should we do? Let's do a Pacific Point. Flirty Flamingo. I don't like that colour combo already. That one. Melamombo. Gorgeous grey. How many have we got? 6. Granny Apple Green. We need a yellow tone, which is there. Let's do red. Does this make sense? You guys can't see. You can. This is my madness. So we're going to do Poppy Parade, Daffodil Delight, Granny Apple Green, Gorgeous Grape, Melamombo and Pacific Point, all in the Brights colour family, because that's nice and easy. I'm not going to make this difficult. Hi! Right, how can I organise this so it's a little bit better? Let's grab another block. So I've got blocks. Where's my stamp cleaner? It's here. So that's all ready to go. You would have thought I'd be more organised, but honestly, it's just a little prompt here because I'm crafting anyway. You guys might as well see what I'm doing. So let's just start with Pacific Point. I'm just going to ink that up, and I can't see. Line that up. I did pretty well for the fact I can't see anything. But hey ho. This one won't be as good, you watch. I did pretty well. Guys, I need a round of applause here because that's brilliant. Maybe that's my problem. I can normally see and I overthink it, and that's what causes the issues. So quickly just clean that off. Put that one away. Melamombo. Now, I'm not going to be doing this in any particular order, just getting the ink down. Melamombo. There and there. That one wasn't so good. And do you know why? I can see. Anyway, so Melamombo's done and dusted. Hi to other people joining. How are we all? Next is Gorgeous Grape. So quickly give them a clean. Pick up. What colour is your favourite colour so far? So you've seen the 6. If you haven't seen the 6, there's 3. You've got Pacific Point and Melamombo as well. Which one's your favourite? That is atrocious, mine. That's still terrible. It happens. These poor people. Hopefully this brightens up their day at least. And do you know what it is? It's because I've got time, so I've re-inked all my ink pads. And I think they're a little bit too juicy now. I know there's no such thing, but there is. So there's them 3. Granny Apple's my favourite. I don't know. I say that. I remember when Melamombo came out as an in colour. Does anybody else remember that? Back when I was first a demo, way back when. Poppy Parade was an in colour as well, I believe. But that was when I wasn't a demo. Hi, Anton. I'm trying to think what else. I don't know what colour. I like Gorgeous Grape, but I don't think I've used it as much as I probably should have. But that doesn't mean I don't like it. Let's go. Daffodil Delight. And then the base. And then clean them. So we've just had dinner here in the UK. What did I have for dinner? We had carbonara. What did you guys have for dinner? Or what do you have planned for dinner? That's always a good conversation. Do you know what I miss about not going to work? The random rubbish we used to talk about. Every single day I'd be like, so what's for dinner? And then we'd all sit there hungry because we were sat there talking about dinner. Honestly, it's madness. But hey ho. So that's all of them stamped. Super quick, super easy, which makes my life a lot easier. Now, I need the antennas and the body, just to make this actually look like a proper butterfly. Oh. Now this is when it all goes wrong. Oh, I love a good quiche. And chili con carne. Sean is scared to try quiche, which doesn't really make sense. He's a very fussy eater, so you don't want him as a dinner guest, believe me. So let's just stamp the body down. Super quick. Can't see this one. There we go. Then just the antennas. Just so they actually look like butterflies. Oh, I messed up that one. Look. Do you know what I do if I mess up like that? Who remembers these? So this is my toolbox, as I refer to it. So Stampin' Up! Used to do little sand blocks, and you can literally just rub the top layer off. Of it. And it gets rid of it. Obviously that hasn't, sorry, but you get the gist. I'll do that again later. But that's the thank you card that I'm going to stick in the envelope, stick with the hostess gift, and then stick it in a jiffy, which I'm probably also going to put a butterfly on. But yeah, so that's it. Super quick and easy. I hope you're all okay. Facebook Live this Saturday. Don't know what time, but I will put in a graphic on Instagram as well as Facebook, so you guys can all know what's going on and when. If you're not on Facebook or follow me on Facebook, that's absolutely fine. That it'll be uploaded to Instagram afterwards. I think I'm going to do the card I've made for Saturday, the very much vintage challenge, so you'll get to see that made. So I'll see you guys around. I hope you're staying safe. Yeah, so bye.